Hey guys, so in today's short lesson, we're going to go through a very simple example of the use of the expected value rules. So in another video, I have already gone through these rules. So I'm just going to be applying these rules over here. So let's say we have a situation where y is equal to b1 plus b2 times x. So b1 is a constant and b2 is another constant and x is just another variable. So in this case, the expected value of y is going to equal the expected value of b1 plus b2 times x, and all we have done here is take expectations on both sides. Okay, now using expected value rule number one, as always we have to explain why we are doing what we're doing. So using the first expected value rule, we're just going to split this up so into two components. So we get the expected value of b1 plus the expected value of b2 times x. Next, we can use expected value rule number 3 over here, which is basically just that the expected value of a constant is the constant itself. So I'm going to write here, we're using expected value rule 3. Okay, so this becomes b1. Okay, let me just write that neatly. Okay, so this is just b1 plus, now this second term right here, what we can do is we can apply expected value rule number 2 over here. So using expected value rule 2, okay, we're going to rewrite this as okay, so this becomes b2 times the expected value of x. So all we have done is apply the expected value rule 2 here to take b2 out of the expression. So let me just erase that and we're done. Okay, so this is the answer. This is so far we can get. So that is our answer. Okay, cool, we're done.